So hey guys, ISRO all set for India's first ever sun mission Aditya-L1 is going to launch on September 2, that is today at 11:50 am from the Sriharikota spacecraft in Andhra Pradesh. Aditya-L1 could revolutionize the understanding of the sun's dynamic. Chairman S. Somarathan said that ISRO is ready for the launch of the mega mission. ISRO chief confirmed that the rehearsal for Aditya-L1 launch has been completed. You should know Aditya-L1 will travel a distance of 1.5 million km from Earth after its launch. It will be placed in a halo orbit around Lagrangian point, that is L1 of the Sun-Earth system. You should know the Lagrange points are positions in space where objects tend to stay put. You should know around the L1 point it will have continuous visibility of the sun without any planetary interference or eclipses. The advantageous position will provide real-time monitoring of solar activities and their effects on space weather. Unlike Chandrayaan-3, there is no plan to land the spacecraft on the sun. Aditya-L1, with a weight of 1,475 kg, is 2 times lighter than the Chandrayaan-3. You should know Aditya-L1 will carry 7 payloads to observe the outermost layer of the sun. India can get crucial data on the photosphere, chromosphere and the corona of the sun. This mission is of great significance as it will provide insights into the sun's dynamics and its impact on space weather. You should know the L1 point is a unique location in space where the gravitational forces of the sun and earth create regions of enhanced attraction and repulsion. Spacecraft positioned at these Lagrange points can efficiently maintain their orbits with minimal fuel consumption, according to NASA. You should know the key objects of this mission include studying the dynamics of the solar upper atmosphere, investigating the heating of the chromosphere and corona, understanding coronal mass ejections, and examining space weather drivers. You should know Aditya-L1 is a fully indigenous effort with the involvement of national institutions, including the Indian Institute of Astrophysics and the Inter-University Center of Astronomy and Astrophysics in Pune. You should know the European Space Agency ESA is providing deep space communication services to the mission. You should know the Aditya-L1 will cover its journey to L1 point in about 4 months. You should know Aditya-L1 is a satellite dedicated to the comprehensive study of the sun. Aditya-L1 largest payloads will send 1,440 images of the sun per day. You should know the mission will cost around 378 crore in Indian rupees. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.